Modi Pilubara, azia mititi obiti bawadrese, etuta nabo, ametajo Laza Lugbarati niribedo ama mesunga, eyonde madri kulukuludi rakaka.
Eyonde kulukuludi ma alia, arasisi fe azita dileka odini yopezo pidie mazingazo Kenya wadiyam. Zago a dopineri esu agazara arogbele jua malaria a tuzorisin. Adibiza ale esuta a rorima a tuza ni mudrile WESTNILE yam. Ama mesuki ejonde matia triarin.
Ma imira ejonde imadriari esuzu la premium vemarusi fete Emmanuel RCC Arua City vlerefe azita bani ba odinio pezo di azi PDM nerengazo Kenya wadiam. Ejo nzezaderi efo bani ebizu lezo azipamfu andrizo di PDM ni Kenya wadiar ni efe kazo alwane kwerizim. Ani aradisi fedia zita yozokini lebama opeba odenira erozo azi PDM nerengazo Kenya wadiam. Ama mesuki eyonde madria rengazo Faris Majidvo.
Atamba Salim kumakecho vopipa ambua gate mama ejo onepe Arua City fe azita ba PDM ma azi ngaba de o peso o dirom de aziba PDM ni Kenya wadia de Central Division ya de Arua City ya de ba bani opeta ode negezo tuni ba dilekaru de ozazo twatem ejo de repo ba tuni ba ni onunwa ejizo dileka PDM ni de yima Arua resim atamba kumakete pe oduko tidi mboru mudinyalo se ba mudinirindel free kaldini susem sawa bani emuzo reta aze otozo de azi PDM nere mapambo andrizuru ma alia resim de paribani ombele 73rd parliament nere ma alia de bani otota reta de ledi otozo paleri ernetezo paridozo kuirisim ani nzadi ejo obibe tuni utitanderni sawa duzu angere madria ani idi bani dileka yadi yozazo twatem
us and give us an opportunity to correct the mistakes that we have been registering one by one, and eventually they will be happy that they're going to be
bani urukoti erisriakni membandra dileka rudi ebinire azinga onyiroko azini ibiri anyangolo ye tuni robia PDM neres
asila ruri oditata lobieda erinta ima faraki lara yongoni kini kuyo letaba mafesente ba choza dipini letaba mafesende ba okupini azini yufpini temani neresne de biniro watoto erinta yodaleku de yonamba lozure yonamba irizure ba leta adansi sente de mawata movo kile toto ba zika a group achi like especially banda group o kodaki ibiba meeting attend bara oreke leta manaki sente ra
Kenya wadi gadare yangiri mamu challenge subo challenge ndeni muspidi ide adusi ba mo pe ba na da ke gabo ama chia person arekiru bogida ke abeko iki murare ko ba mo mve meeting yazigabo bada siki omu do amo doda ki mu do amo dabo ardi mundu azi akini ape vini badi ke ama sari si badi vini government yu data de lere raya
e final andro pale kwa nazore ya udi pari imbudo andro mudinalo emba mudinireni elali feri kalir ni susu ania interest amani ndenere erite report andro erezo annual general report
gazru matia tamba gule albasir oboki bog chairperson amuti nderma aliarim na divini onunwa evurira betunim ima zo azingazure ni adrezo yoresem kene yori ni fe robi andema wazani etazo waronim.
This is government money. Even if I remain or I don't remain, but the next person who will come and replace me, we need to have office. We need to have offices.
Yes.
If we don't have offices for PDM in discipline cases in our homes, more especially the ones who are managing this project, will be much affected.
Ba ogogo turiri nudini aziani esuke robia PDM nere kanyawadiani ba ogogo turteni yinga kiri robia riri oteria. Idriki WESTNILE TV nere Paris Majid Vitualo Pete Manuel Be Ejola Zadrin.
Amedria madile Ejola Zape obitiva waderese. Jago dropiniri esu agazara de arobele jua malaria trezoresim de selenazo banyaro bezutwa azo malaria nere trezore kari kanarima alia eli elifiri kalenase baletazo malaria nere ma adre karidima alia twayo anegamete ezi girikwazi ode lezo azodia trizu bane aro bele jua malaria trizu tuniyiya odizorese azene lazo imba ma aliarese ama maisuki odukotinere engazo atamba onzima alanvo
Azumani district Chadem Sele Nazo the Aro Obelezwa Azo Malaria Niri Trizuri the bomb Aro Obelezwa na Sele Nazo Azumani district Yarin Edo Erebe bomb the Lezo Azo Malaria Niri Trizu Lituni Yiyani Erenere Kadiadri Zago Adropi Nirima Aliam Etekini Agaza Ere Angereto Ejonzeria ba osisia osibadi the engazo dropi zago ma alia the Jimani district ma alia bodo mudrisin mba mudrialo ilelfiri kaldrini susin ke alata ma endruru dropi zago ma alia rin kini yomla alipidi ma aliam yomla ndra okorma alia obe aro John Dondote ma aliam ania idio be Jumani district ya di lezo tita de rezo or porum azinga zone.
From day one we have been spraying houses per villages. Now we are spread so far 10 villages in Adropi sub-county, but the coverage is so good. And my spray operators, though there are few, we have 20 spray operators in Adropi sub-county actively participating. And even in the community, we have not got so much challenges because the mobilization part of it is so okay. And we work hand in hand with the LSU ones and some mobilizers in the community, where the directors, where they guide us in the villages where to go and where to start from. So
Adio Kanta or Bopi Dreka Rondarma or Bezama Yonati Adropi sub-county Yarin Etade or Bidrikin Nisu Kulumburu Yini Arode or Biradi Penelem.
Yes, I'm called Adio Kanta, one of the team leader for spray operators in Adropi sub-county. We started our spring on 3rd. We are now, today is the 7th day, and we have challenges in the field. The challenge is some people have resistance to allow us to enter in their houses to spray. So that one made our work hard in some of the villages in Adropi sub-county. And knowing that malaria is really a threat in our country,
Kangi Simon Ovopi, Councillor or Penzenzi Parisia, Dropi, Subcountiarim, Mudle Jozukinim, Sele na Aro or Bezanidim, na Urodri, Ere Angirim, Ani Aidi or B Muzudle, Aro Ima or Bezabem, Zinim, Yemidevini, Emba, Yeya Tizuri, Ayuzo in Dream.
As it is now third round, at first people have said they have got the benefit. I don't know whether it has been from the spray operators, maybe they are mixing the chemical not properly, because other people they are saying they got the benefit. Having spraying their house, they will not sleep in the mosquito net, so they are sleeping freely. But if you move around to other area, some people are saying even if they have sprayed their house.
Gamete kari Uganda niri traigiriko arakala alata nisi ibiri le azo malaria niri ati kari Uganda nisi ndulu ili elifri kalinasi pale azo malaria niri madri kari Uganda niri atuakun. Yodiri chadi asisle bani aro ogbezo zoma alia lezo azo malara niri hatrizore nem dripi WESTNILE TV niri masidraro pitualo nzima alan bem jola za dream.
Awadifo amani ejola zamati opizo obiti vadisi didiza ale esuta arorore ma atita ni muriadile ango WESTNILE nirma aliyam ba ale suba tuni derima ili tsanga kode makala feni tutu ango WESTNILE nirma aliyam ani ba oto otitazi lezu adi dizu otitadle ejo de trezore seram dileka ndondo WESTNILE ya de taro lezu griko esuzu anze ma azakozo de tuni sawa lifuni de ma aliyam azini embata azindondo azinga za drisi de embazo anzidri inetozo azijezo salifu nirma aliyare sera ama mesuki odoko tinirma triare.
Adi iza ale esuta derba ele tsanga konere muriadile ango WESTNILE nirma aliyam ale esuta derbele tsanga kore ma ongboni turia ango WESTNILE nirma alia angereto otita aziba otura lezuta derba ele tsanga konere be taigiriko bani embata fezo anzidri azingaza drisire ma aliyam betoni unitabani su klasia kore basiza ni muria dile ani amuti dile bisu agaza ango Mario Colonel ma aliam azini zombo district nirma aliam ongo anzio depini ale esuzore ere angeren kadiadri utitabani zipambu andizirma aliam yudu nasi mboru mudini alomba mudiniri lel frikal dini susin arua district ya dile kandondo di emuti tualo amuti ndondo gameta mapala ko atita fepi obidri ekele muti rice WESTNILE nire palm crops space azini gamete mamuleka ndondo de bem dini dile kaibe azini api madile kaibem imuzulezu ejale nyazo kulungu anzi ini surimatriyan keliki Tom Gladys Ovope consortium programs manager rori yokini ili iri yibin ozatane angere electoral nirma alia kalia ziridini aron banelezo tipika yi atizo di ejo unita nirma alia rese.
In the 2 years implementation, the training we have seen, I think 78% parents have tried to portray positive attitudes towards supporting the education of their children. So it is a bit the laxity, and we have to remind them and enforce some of the policies. Where PT has left, we supported the sub-counties to develop some of the resolutions, which the councils have approved them, which are all to ensure parents are to take charge. If we talk about the night discourse, who are to take charge? parents. If you talk about the night markets, unregulated night markets, when you go to Madiokolo at 7 at the road, when you drive to Zombo at 7,
Ani road the Tracy of Office Kulumba Pakha the primary school nirma Aliam the Zombo district yare ni Ejon Zaria Mudle Jozokinim Yene Ozata Angere Betuni Tita Bani Ibife Yenirese.
When Prettier project came in Pakada Primary School, we realized the following benefits in the school. 1. Reduced rates of teenage pregnancy. 2. Reduced the rates of dropout. 3. Reduced the rates of absenteeism through the following activities: drama, MDD, poems, and so very many others.
Sayo Vincent of Opi, Prime Minister Ker Alur Nirma Aliaria Idim, Amutindondo di Dilakandondo di Dem, Lezo Atita Fezo Amuti Belevi Dream. Divinity Pikai, Yenitozo, and the Yevudi, Maage Tezo, and the.
Going to depend on Prettier, but we're going to depend on what Prettier has told us. Sure. Because our community must continue living without Prettier. That's why our role as cultural leaders is to continue building what Prettier has done. Together with the cultural, with the government, property system, the local government, and everybody in the church, we're going to continue. But should it also come back, we as a people say that there are areas of intervention is that can we use our cultural space, our cultural resources to continue building? For example, can we start doing crafts?
He further urges parents to produce a number of children they can be able to take responsibility of.
For us as a cultural institution, we tell people that have the amount of children you can pay school fees for, you can buy the clothes for Christmas, but make sure these kids don't go and beg. Because when they beg, it reflects back on you as a parent. And I'm glad that lately, I've seen people now, I've seen a number of children have started reducing. The cases of childbirth among the elderly has reduced by the way.
Koma Stephen of Opi Azi Pasope, Commissioner District Mirima Pariarin, Mundle Tipikai Izum, Sawa Pezo, and the Nedi Dream.
I see a very, very close relationship between poverty and teenage pregnancy. Children from rich families are not part of this problem. So why don't we put all our effort in eradicating poverty? Because indirectly, when everybody is rich, we will not have these issues. Unfortunately, all the government programs that are supposed to be helping our people to get out of poverty, many people don't support them. And at the end of the day, people remain poor, and we go back to the same circle.
Gazroma Alia Isa Tumwa Vote Resident District Commissioner Mari Okolo District Nirim Tekini Ejo Aliofima Eselia Zene Ale Suzanerim Eri Ankerem Ani Aidi Obi Adi Bizu Aliobe Yenetozo Eyoleria Trizum.
How do we help these young learners? Really at a family level, if we are unable to sit together and have the Luos called Kachakemaki, if we are unable to sit and talk to our children, then there's a problem. If I'm a daddy, I'm always coming beyond midnight. In the morning, the children have gone to school. By the time I'm coming, they are asleep. They will even start to doubt whether I'm their dad. Saturday, Sunday, I cannot go even to church with them. I don't have time for them.
Otita Prettier project meeting Ucha Eli Iribo, Erosili Elfiri Caldini Resim, Eri TOP, Elfiri Caldini Susim, Asisla Angere Banutita di Natinjizure, Erelezo, Onita Fezo, Anzidri, Azingaza Drisri Yazo, Azinebani Etozo, Ale Esuta, Derba, Eli Tangakode, Trizubeni, Idriku WESTNILE TV Niro Rako Benson Pastore, Pitu Alufeta, Emmanuel Be, Egola Zadrin.
Our former Drangereto, Data Diurukoti, Amanoto Mijodu and Alia, Ejola Zama Aliare E, Tadela Premium Vemarosi Fete Emmanuel E, mitre mitilo utita ndondo WESTNILE TV arimaneza be impide maputi endekindire ere utita lugbarama abini tualo atamva ereko Morris be adrama tembe paremini amanezurma